So this is my first function. So here, if you remember, our function is denoted by def is a keyword, and first underscore function is the name of the function, and inside the function we are doing some calculation or just some code. So here my first function is having no parameter and is end by colon, and here first function I'm calling to execute. Now here if you see, there are two portions. First we are creating the function, and second we are calling the function. So hi there. Let us write the next function. So here I am assigning the variable x is equal to 0, and then I am creating a function def fhello x is equal to 3 print x. So what it will do, it will override the variable 0 with 3 and it will return the function. So in earlier program you might have encountered some function like lower, split, length, etc. So actually these are the inbuilt Python function. So likewise inbuilt Python function, we can build our own function. So let us see. Now here I am trying to build my function which will give the square of any number. If you see here, I am passing the parameter number. I'll pass any number here as a parameter. Then output I am assigning to a variable out, which is going to do a square and return out. Okay. So when I execute my query, so it has created the function. So I'm going to call this function in another cell. So the way of calling is square 5. So 25. Just replace the 5 with 10, it will return 100. So basically my function is ready, and this function you can use anywhere in your program. Now let us write another complex function which will give the factorial of any number. So factorial, you know what is the factorial? Factorial of 5 is what? 5. Factorial of 5 is given by, I think this is a high school mathematics. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So factorial of 5 is 120. Okay. Now this factorial, we are going to create a function for this factorial. So what it will do, we are passing a parameter n as a parameter where we can pass any number for the factorial. If n is greater than 1, it is going to return n factorial n minus 1, else it will return n. So here I am passing the fact is my variable. I am passing the number 5. So what it will do, it will go inside and it will return the variable 120. Now if you see carefully here, I am calling a function inside the function. So first I am creating the function factorial n, and then I am multiplying the number n with factorial another function which is factorial. I am passing the parameter n minus 1. Okay. So what will happen? It will keep on calling itself until this condition is satisfied. So that is why internally it is going to calculate like this: 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I hope you're getting my point here. Okay, now where there are some situation where your parameter can have multiple numbers, or we don't know how many numbers will be in the parameter. So what we can do, we can create parameter with star, starting with a star. So this is one of our function which will return the sum of the argument or sum of the parameter which will pass. So first I'm creating the function here. Now here I'm trying to call the function addition, and I'm passing around 6 parameters, and if I call this one, it is going to return the sum of these numbers. So I'm calling 2 times. So this is the output from the first call, which is print addition. So first it is printing the arguments as it is defined in the function print argument, and the second is 39. So my output is sum of the argument, which is a 39.